Hey everybody, Charles here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about Superstart batteries. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Superstart builds power, performance, and reliability into every battery. Batteries for everything from lawn mowers and ATVs to boats and RVs, but today I'll be focusing on a few options for cars, trucks, and SUVs. First is the Superstart Premium, designed to provide starting power in the most demanding climate conditions. This battery is made with fortified components to resist vibration damage, which reinforces overall durability, and also features optimized power paths for faster starts. The Superstart Extreme is also built to withstand the harshest conditions. Like most batteries, including the Superstart Premium, the Extreme is a lead-acid battery, but it's made with extra cranking power and reserve capacity to start your vehicle in extreme weather and temperatures, as well as a heavier grid and plate design for a longer life. And finally, we have the Superstart Platinum. The difference here is absorbed glass matte, or AGM technology, which provides more power for starting in high electrical demands, as well as twice the life cycle of conventional batteries. The AGM design of Superstart Platinum offers not only maximum starting power and deep cycle service, but also 20 times more vibration resistance, and a spill-proof construction that eliminates the possibility of leaks altogether. Check out the full Superstart selection at O'ReillyAuto.com. All these batteries and more are available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store. And if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by our store or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.